Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, and today we are going to make mixed dal. So here I have 4 pulses. This is moong dal. I'm taking here a half cup of pulses. So half cup of moong dal and half masoor, half white urad dal, which is also called mast ki dal, and it's almost 1 cup of dal chana. So I'm taking here 4 pulses, and I'm taking here some ingredients. I'm gonna tell you: 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of all spice powder, some 5 to 6 green chilies, and half bunch of coriander leaves, and 2 medium size of tomatoes, which is roughly sliced. So let's start making it. As you can see, our water is boiling. Now I'm gonna add the pulses. So firstly we have to wash the pulses. So we will wash it first. Strain out all the water. Now add the washed pulses in boiling water. Now we will wash this. Wash it properly. After washing and adding all the pulses, I'm gonna add the red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Mix it. This pulses are really gonna be yummy. It's so delicious. Must try this recipe in your home. So firstly we will let it boil. Boiling, so I'm gonna add the tomatoes, coriander leaves, green chilies. Now we will mix it. Now again we'll let it boil. Now it started boiling. Now I'm gonna take out all these foam, take it out and throw it. So now we will cook it on the low flame, and we will cover it with the lid. Half an hour, our pulses is completely tender. Let me show you. It's completely tender now. I'm gonna add the salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, or salt to taste. You can take 1 teaspoon or 1.5 as you want. So now we are gonna beat the mixed dal. Beat it properly. If you are new on your channel, so please don't forget to subscribe it. And if you like our recipe, so let me know in the comment section. This mixed dal with tomatoes is really gonna be so yummy. Must try this at home. It's so simple and quick recipe. in new style. Now I'm gonna add the water. It's enough. I've added here 1 cup of water. And now in the end, I'm gonna add the allspice powder. And coriander leaves. So now mix it. So our dal is almost done. Now we have to give it a tadka. For tadka, I've taken a small kadhai, which will be enough. So firstly we will have to add some oil. So, 1 full teaspoon of butter. So now I'm taking here 1 large onion. We will fry it. So because of adding butter, it will give you a sweet aroma. Brown it first. So now we will add the green chilies. Sorry, red chilies. Now we will add the green chilies. 4 to 5. Just give it a cut and add in it. And ginger. It's 2 inches of ginger, which is having a julienne cut. So now it's getting also brown. So now it's complete. It's ready to give a tadka on the dal. So let me show you. It's getting brown. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Cover it quickly. So now it's done. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna serve it. I will dish it out and show you. This is our final look of mixed dal. I hope you guys like this recipe. You can serve it with plain rice. It's such a healthy dinner, and as you know, it's such a quick and simple recipe, and it's very unique style. So must try this recipe in your home and let me know. If you like this recipe, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me. We'll meet you in another video with a new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.